How to enable two-factor authentication on DraftKings. If you wish to enable two-factor authentication on DraftKings, it is very simple. First off, open your browser and go to DraftKings.com and make sure you log into your respective account. After you log into your account, go to your profile from the top right hand side and go to the option that says account information. Once you come to account information, this is the type of interface that you should be able to see on your page. Now over here, what you want to do is let the web page load up, and on the left hand side you can see login and security. Simply go to login and security, scroll down, you'll find the option called two-factor authentication. Make sure you have added your phone number and just turn on the toggle next to receive SMS code. Then right after that, you will receive an SMS code next time whenever you try to log in to your particular phone number. So you just want to make sure to enable that. You can also choose to log in and turn on email notification. Next time you will receive an email every time someone tries to log in. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.